New just listed home, 3647 Lake St. George, Palm Harbor, Florida by Allison Tridenti from the military veteran team. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with updated wood floors and fresh paint offers 1,285 heated square feet of stylish Florida living. This move-in ready family residence features a split floor plan, an open kitchen flowing into spacious living and dining areas, and a private primary suite with a large walk-in closet and ensuite bath. 2 additional bedrooms and a second full bath provide flexibility. Enjoy outdoor entertaining with a screened lanai, patio, and large fenced backyard near top beaches, dining, and highways. Make this home yours.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.